Welcome to or welcome back to Learn English Quiz. In this video, we will practice simple sentences using the modals can and can't. I can read. I can read. I can understand. I can understand. I can help. I can help. I can tell. I can tell. I can swim. I can swim. I can dance. I can dance. I can wait. I can wait. I can hear you. I can hear you. I can see you. I can see you. I can tell you. I can tell you. I can help you. I can help you. I can text you. I can text you. I can call you. I can call you. I can see him. I can see him. I can trust him. I can trust him. I can promise her. I can promise her. I can do that. I can do that. I can see that. I can see that. I can feel that. I can feel that. I can fix that. I can fix that. I can save that. I can save that. I can do it. I can do it. I can make it. I can make it. I can hear it. I can hear it. I can say it. I can say it. I can explain it. I can explain it. I can smell it. I can smell it. I can handle this. I can handle this. I can get it. I can get it. I can clean it. I can clean it. I can help others. I can help others. I can do something. I can do something. I can do nothing. I can do nothing. I can do everything. I can do everything. I can start again. I can start again. I can go on. I can go on. I can go out. I can go out. I can come in. I can come in. I can come up. I can come up. I can be alone. I can be alone. I can dress myself. I can dress myself. I can see why. I can see why. I can and I will. I can and I will. I can hardly wait. I can hardly wait. I can never tell. I can never tell. I can only imagine. I can only imagine. I can just walk away. I can just walk away. I can figure it out. I can figure it out. I can count on you. I can count on you. I can make it work. I can make it work. I can take it down. I can take it down. I can come with you. I can come with you. I can drive with you. I can drive with you. I can live with this. I can live with this. I can do it by myself. I can do it by myself. I can take care of myself. I can take care of myself. I can think of nothing else. I can think of nothing else. I can read your mind. I can read your mind. I can find a house. I can find a house. I can't come. I can't come. I can't sleep. I can't sleep. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't keep it. I can't keep it. I can't trust you. I can't trust you. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I can't feel you. I can't feel you. I can't afford a house. I can't afford a house. I can't afford to buy a house. I can't afford to buy a house. I can't afford to buy a car. I can't afford to buy a car.